kernel security check failure after installing an M.2. Well, there's going to be a whole bunch of things for this. Some older laptops just can't take an M.2 and boot no matter how much you update it. But check the manufacturer's website for a BIOS update. Make sure you're not using legacy boot. Make sure you're using the secure boot or the EUFI function. Check the capabilities of your M.2 slot. The older generations were not capable of booting from an M.2, nor could they read more than 2 terabytes. Boot from a USB flash drive, Windows 10, Windows 11. Go into Repair, Advanced, Command Prompt. Run these commands and see if this helps. Also the DISM commands, the System File Checker commands. The utility for dirty drive should not matter, but it won't hurt. And then there's the restart there. The bottom command for the PowerShell, you don't have to do that, but I mean, you're already there. Might as well do it.